Hello everyone, welcome, Spateria here. In this video I will show you how to enable and disable Cortana in Windows 10. Press Windows plus R to open the command prompt, and type pedit.msc. Into the command line, and then press enter. Navigateto Computer Configuration Administrative Templates Windows Components Search. Then double-click Allow Cortana in the right pane. Select Disabled, then select OK. Close the Group Policy Editor and restart your computer. Look, this Cortana has disabled, and the replay step does enable Cortana. And restart to enable Cortana. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe Spateria channel. Thanks for watching.